করে করতেছে তো না। ওকে, লেটস সে এই একটা ইনগালফ ক্রিয়েট করলো না, এই একটা
People that you trusted, would you put your name down? Do you know who you are? When you look at life and you talk about yours, do you feel proud? Are you leaving a mark or scared to make a bad impression, so you just go hide in the dark, living and playing the part, knowing regret will come back up tomorrow? That's what it does, ain't it? Don't know what we're chasing, but we all do it. Just a part of life, I guess we're all foolish, running after what we think will make us happy till it falls through, and then we find out later it ain't what we wanted, so we give up on it, then we buy the garbage, and we watch it grow and find a drug to numb it, till we hit the point that we can barely function. Am I motivated? Is my music dated? Would I be the same if I was medicated? Even therapists say I need medication. I avoid it though because I'm scared to take it. Am I the only one that has a loaded gun? It's full of doubts and memories to overcome, and I complain about them when they shoot at me, but I know truthfully I like to load them up and let them.
Cause to this day we remain estranged, and I hate it though. Cause you ain't even get to witness your grandbabies grow. But I'm sorry mama for cleaning out my closet at the time. I was angry, rightfully maybe so. Never meant that far to take it though. Cause now I know it's not your fault, and I'm not making jokes. That song I no longer play, it shows, and I cringe every time it's on the radio. And I think of Nathan being placed in a home, and all the medicine you fed us, and how I just wanted you to taste your own. But now the medication's taking over, and your mental state's deteriorating slow, and I'm way too old to cry. This shit is painful though, but Ma, I forgive you. So does Nathan, yo. All you did, all you said, you did your best to raise us both.